to write no more than 2-3 sentences to write the answers. Let me begin with the first question. Do you believe that Mrs. Wright killed her husband? Explain. And the answer here, yes, I think Mrs. Wright killed her husband. Mrs. Wright didn't have good relationship with her husband as he didn't allow her freedom. He even killed her bird, which was her one and only friend. In this way, the first question can be answered. Number B here, do you think Mr. Wright's death would have been uncovered if Mr. Hill hadn't stopped by the Wright's home? Yes, Mr. Wright's death would have been uncovered if Mr. Hill had not stopped by the Wright's home. Mr. Wright, Mrs. Wright uh, wouldn't confess her deeds because she had retaliated, means had taken the revenge against her husband, tortures and dominations. Number C, why does Mrs. Hale think that Mrs. Wright's worries about her preserves indicate her innocence? It means मिसेस राइटको चाहिँ प्रिजर्भ्स अथवा उसको चाहिँ एक्टिभिटिजहरूले गर्दा चाहिँ कसरी उसको इनोसेन्स अथवा मिसेस राइट चाहिँ इनोसेन्स छ भन्ने कुराहरू देखाउँछ भन्ने कुराहरू गरिरहेको छ. Mrs. Hill thinks that Mrs. Wright's worries about her preserves indicate her innocence because Mrs. Wright doesn't strike her as a murderer who is obsessed with her housekeeping abilities. According to her, a person who is overly concerned with her preserves cannot possibly commit murder. Her attention to detail in her housekeeping skills demonstrate her innocence. In this way, the third question can be answered. होइन यसले चाहिँ भन्छ मिसेस राइट आफै नै एक खालको इनोसेन्स भएको कारणले गर्दा उसले मर्डर नगरेको हुनसक्छ भन्ने खालको चाहिँ आन्सर दिन्छ नम्बर सीले. ओके, so number D here, how does Mrs. Peter homesteading experience connect her to Mrs. Wrights? भनेको मिसेस पिटरको एक्सपिरियन्स अथवा मिसेस राइटको कुरा गरिरहँदा अथवा त्यो कुरा चाहिँ मिसेस हेल र मिसेस पिटर्सले त्यो कुरा चाहिँ मिसेस राइटकोमा अब्जर्भ गरिरहँदा हाउ डज इट कनेक्ट टु मिसेस पिटर्स? Let's say Mrs. Peters' homesteading experience connects to Mrs. Wright in many ways. She had a kitten when she was a girl, right in front of her eyes. A boy killed it with a hatchet. She became enraged, means furious at the boy. She felt a sense of vengeance toward the boy. This encounter connects to her to Mrs. Wright's vengeance against um, uh, the the assassin of her canary, right? Moreover, she lost her first child when she was 2 years old. She had gone through a difficult period without her adorable child. So this kind of experience, right? The killing of the cat, right, and the death of the child. So these things are connected to Mrs. Peters, as these things have happened in Mrs. Wright's life also. So in this number E, how do the women's perspectives on mean differ? It means women here are Mrs. Hale and Mrs. Peter. Mrs. Hale र Mrs. Peters को पर्सेप्सनहरू चाहिँ मिनलाई हेर्ने पर्सेप्सनहरू कसरी फरक छ भन्ने कुराहरू. So the answer here in the play, women's perspectives on mean differ. Mrs. Peters and Mrs. Hale perceive mean in different ways. Mrs. Peters is more observant and initially more aligned with her husband's investigation, observing that the law is law. She is married to the sheriff and prefers to follow the law, often apologizing for the behavior of the men because they are only doing her duty. भनेको मिनहरूलाई चाहिँ अलिकति एक्सक्युज गर्ने उनीहरूले त्यहाँ जे कुरा गरिरहेको छन् अब्जर्भेसन अथवा त्यहाँ चाहिँ the investigation को बेलामा, and she is more inclined to her husband also and to the law. उसलाई चाहिँ दोषीलाई कारवाही हुनुपर्छ भन्ने खालको पर्सेप्सन देखिन्छ. When Mrs. Hale expresses doubt about searching the house for evidence, right, doubt express गरिरहेछ. Mrs. Hale is more sympathetic, identifying herself immediately with Mrs. Wright and her interest, thinking how she would feel if men invaded her kitchen. Snooping around and criticizing, she is more willing to oppose the men they are with. She argues with the county attorney over the state of the farm and Mrs. Rice's disposition. She seems to be more uh, fortified than Mrs. Peters, who is more easily cowed by other men there. So in this way, um, this is the different perceptions, or the women's they do have different perceptions or perspectives towards mean here. Now moving towards next reference to the text we have right here. Some context are given and the questions are given below. I read the extracts from the play given below and answer the questions that follow. So number one, Mrs. Peters glancing around seems funny to think of bird here, but she must have had one, or why would she have a case? I wonder what happened to it, Miss Hale. No, I apostrophe S Q S means I suppose maybe the cat got it. What does she refer to here? She refers to Mrs. White. What does one stand for? The bird. What's the full form of SPUSE? Suppose that is. What do you mean when Mrs. Hale says the cat got it? It means the cat must have killed it. In this way, we can get this. Number B, Mrs. White or Mrs. Hale says White was clothes that she used to wear pretty clothes and be lively when she was manifested. Right, one of the town girls singing in the chair, but mm, that was 30 years ago. Why does Mrs. Hale refer to Mrs. White as Minnie Foster? Mrs. Hale refers to Mrs. White as Minnie Foster because before her marriage, Mrs. White was a very beautiful singer. She was known as Minnie Foster and she used to dress pretty and sing in the choir. In this way, you can answer this one. What does her description tell you about Mrs. White? Mrs. White was a beautiful singer before her marriage. She was happy also, yeah. According to her description, her name was Minnie Foster, who used to sing beautifully and wear pretty clothes 30 years ago. What does Mrs. Hale mean by that was 30 years ago? By that 30 years ago, Mrs. Hale refers to the period in Mrs. Wright's life when she was unmarried and a well-known singer known as Minnie Foster. She was happy also. In this way, you can find these things. So a reference to the text again there. Number C, what is the main theme of the play? The main theme of the play here, you can find patriarchism means how the feminist society, they are dominating the females, right? The domination of Mr. Right, John Wright, there in the family, you can see revenge. Mrs. Wright took revenge over her husband because her husband killed her best friend that was the board there, and domination we can, and as a result, right, she killed Mr. White. Domination, crime as a result of suppression, justice, gender discrimination, these are the major themes as I have already interpreted these things in my earlier video. Next, reference to the context, discuss the symbolism used in the play. There are different symbols: the kilt, the board case, the rocking chair, the board. These are the different symbols used there in the text. The kilt, this is not properly shown. राम्रोसँग सिलाएको हुँदैन, right? So here you see Minnie, or we call Mrs. White, she hasn't sewed it properly. The quilt is not finished in the drama. It represents Minnie's fate. The patches of fabric represent very or every piece of information discovered, and from that, the women receive the murder. Right, in this way, मिनीले चाहिँ अथवा मिसेस राइटले त्यसलाई प्रपरली स्युट नगरेको अथवा राम्रोसँग नसिलाएको, त्यसको नटहरू प्रपरली टाई नगरेको भएर के बुझिन्छ भन्दा चाहिँ उसले आफूले मर्डर गरिसकेपछि अथवा मर्डर गर्नुभन्दा अगाडि जुन काम गरिरहेको थियो त्यसमा आफू चाहिँ कमिटेड नभएको अथवा बिकज सी वाज डिस्ट्र्याक्टेड होइन, त्यो हिसाबले पनि उसले मर्डर गरेको हुनसक्छ भन्ने खालको अज्युम्सन छ। Bird cage. The bird cage where Mrs. Hale and Mrs. Peters were looking for a piece of paper and string when they came across a broken bird cage. The bird cage represents Mrs. Wright's treatment of Minnie, and I say treatment गरेको, right? And Minnie from making friends and socializing others. त्यसले गर्दा चाहिँ मिनी चाहिँ एकदम सोसियलाइज नभएको होइन, अथवा अरू फ्रेन्ड्सहरूसँग जान नसकेको कुराहरू देखाउँछ when the bird was sick, or Mrs. White's treatment of Minnie there, right? The rocking chair. The rocking chair is another symbol, or it's symbolic there. Minnie sits in the rocking chair after murdering her husband. The rocking chair represents Minnie's attempt to remain calm as natural as possible. This is one of the symbols. The bird is symbol because it indicates the friendship, right? The dead bird was placed in a lovely box and wrapped in a silk. It clearly indicates that the body is faithful to the owner and that the killer was not you, right? Next, discuss the setting of the play. How does it have impact on the theme? The setting is the abandoned farmhouse, right? And the kitchen that is maze over there, right? So that thing shows down in the hall where the road cannot be seen. It is lonely, gloomy, and cool. Of course, the setting of the play has an effect in the theme. This setting depicted the lives of contemporary American women who used to be bound by their husband. Like they dominated, and there were different obligations and operations. They used to live in isolation and restrictions. So these kind of things they are shown by means of the setting of the drama. Now, another important questions is about reference beyond the text. So the credibility, विश्वसनीयता भन्छ, of character is determined not only by the character's thought and action, but also by other characters and they say and think about him or her, discussing in relation to the characters of trifles, right? So the क्यारेक्टर अथवा एउटा कुनै पात्र स्टोरीको अथवा ड्रामाको पात्र क्यारेक्टरको चाहिँ क्रेडिबिलिटी अथवा उसको विश्वसनीयता चाहिँ त्यो उसको क्यारेक्टरको थटबाट अथवा उसको सोचाइबाट मात्र डिटरमाइन हुन्न कि बट अरूले चाहिँ के भन्छन् वाट अदर क्यारेक्टर से अबाउट हिम अर हर त्यसले पनि डिटरमाइन गर्छ भनिरहेको छ एन्ड द सेम थिङ ह्यापन्स इन द स्टोरी राइट मिनीको अथवा मिसेस राइटको क्यारेक्टर चाहिँ उसको आफ्नो थिङ्किङले मात्र नभइकन कि वाट मिसेस हेल एन्ड मिसेस राइट sorry Mrs. Peters they say about Mrs. White that determines the character of मिसेस वाइट होइन हामीलाई चाहिँ मिसेस वाइटको बारेमा बढी चाहिँ मिसेस हेल अथवा मिसेस पिटरले भनेर थाहा हुन्छ एज अ रिडर राइट सो दिस इज थिङ गिभन हियर प्लिज गो थ्रु द थिङ मैले लास्टमा 10 लेखेको छु त्यो चाहिँ यु हेभ टु राइट अ कन्क्लुजन देयर यो चाहिँ अलिकति लङ क्वेसन 5 मार्क्सको लागि सोध्ने भएको कारणले गर्दा यु हेभ टु एड अ सर्ट कन्क्लुजन अल्सो मैले स्पेस कम हुने भएर मैले आई डिन्ट राइट अ कन्क्लुजन whatever you have written there, whatever thing is given here in the body here, introduction, you have to write the same thing there. होइन त्यो कुराहरूलाई चाहिँ सर्ट फर्ममा 1-2 सेन्टेन्सेसमा you have to write it there. So reference beyond the text. Next is dramatic irony occurs when the readers or audience has information that is unknown to the characters in the play. It creates tension and suspense. Now we have to analyze the things. Number one question there. What information is crucial to the play trifles? Dramatic irony, right? Here, the title itself is ironical, right? The crucial information related to the dramatic story in the play is that Mrs. White has murdered her husband, right? The reader learns about, they find about the fact behind the murder through Mrs. Hale and Mrs. Peters, but the male characters who appear to be preoccupied with findings, clues, are unaware of these facts and did not find the motive for killing Mrs. White in this way. So this can be some of ironical or crucial information. How does the playwright use this information to create dramatic irony? The playwright uses this information very sensitively to create dramatic irony, creating great twists, suspense, reader interest, and disclosures in very interesting way, right? So these things you can find out, and you can write the same thing in your answer. What does number next time question? What effect does the dramatic irony have on the audience and on the play? The dramatic irony has kept the reader's interest, anticipation, hope, fear, curiosity, and suspense. Right, the readers now have accurate information about all the male characters in the play. Dramatic irony has made this play very interesting and full of twists where facts are revealed, causing readers to be curious and even excited. So here are some additional questions for practice. You can practice these questions so that every minute or detailed information of the text or of the play you'll understand it. Now other additional questions are also here. Uh, so this was for today, everybody. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is about the textbook solutions of trifles. It can be really helpful for your exam also and for preparing for other different terminal examinations. Uh, uh, at last, don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting all the many new videos and updates. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Thank you so much.